snowing. It's only been snowing for like, let's look at the sky there, see it. Can't really tell it's snowing, but it's been snowing for what, 2 hours? Not even 2 hours?
Yeah, not even.
I had my first class today, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna have another class because it's snowing so hard.
It's supposed to snow until tomorrow.
It's supposed to be what, like 16 inches at the most?
Yeah.
Which
in New Jersey, some people might be used to that. Like some people will say like, oh, you're sissies or whatever, but in New Jersey, we're not used to that. We're equipped for that. In the Poconos and wherever else it...
We don't have huge plow trucks that come by throughout the whole day. We have like little tiny pickup trucks that have little plows on the front.
The plowing is terrible and it goes by township too, so that makes it even worse.
Mike was saying in New York they have huge
like
plow trucks that
almost.
they take up like the whole road and they just plow all the snow right off it. We don't have anything like that.
Have that. Nothing even close.
Made some bacon for me and Kelsey's sandwich. I'm not having a sandwich, but I'm gonna have some bacon. And I made a peanut butter chocolate smoothie. Oh yeah.
Dessert.
Without sugar. There's a little bit of blackstrap molasses, but I put stevia in it.
So how many of these do I have?
As many as you want. So I just had lunch, but it wasn't very much, so I'm going to make a smoothie. And I'm going to make a coconut cream smoothie. I don't usually like using milk unless it's raw, so when I don't have raw milk, I use coconut milk. So I use some of that, and then vanilla extract, of course, coconut oil, and cultured coconut milk, so it's basically yogurt, but uses coconut. And I'll see how it turns out. I put some eggs for extra protein. Kelsey's over here eating her, what do you call this, after lunch? Your dessert? It's not really dessert.
My afternoon snack.
Your afternoon snack, but you just had lunch.
I'm still hungry though.
So it's part of your lunch.
Okay.
Anyway, let's see. Oops. So this blender is nice because it has an actual smoothie button.
It's snowing so much. Like okay, there's 2 news channels and like that I've been following, and one says we can get up to 12 inches, another says up to 16 inches. So I don't know what's gonna happen, but it's been snowing since about 10 and it's now 3 and it has not slowed down at all. It's just been going and going, and it's supposed to snow like this until tomorrow morning. So it's kind of crazy. And Danny still had school. Like he had his first class, and right when he got home it was just starting to snow. But by the time he went to his second class, that's when the snow picked up and had been snowing for a few hours. So I can only imagine how long it's going to take for him to get home, because his class ended almost 15 minutes ago and he's still not here. So I think we might be going to my parents' house to stay snowed in there because, whoops, I just broke this. My sister wants us to come, and like it's just fun when you're with a bunch of people during a snowstorm. So I don't know, we'll see what happens, see what Danny wants to do. But yeah, it's snowing so much. And like I was saying earlier, like we are not equipped for a lot of snow. We're not used to it. Like this happens once in a while. I remember a few years ago we got like 12 inches of snow, and we were out of school for like a week, and it was crazy. I know some people it's just like, they're like, that's not a big deal at all, but for us it's crazy, and we're so unprepared. And like they just came out with like the totals and everything of the snowfall last night. So yesterday morning it was at 1 to 3 inches, and then last night before I went to bed it was like 4 to 8, and then when I woke up it was between 6 and 16. So it's crazy how much, I guess the storm just kind of took a turn for us. But yeah, I'm excited to see Min go outside and play, because last time it snowed, not this much, but she was outside and she loved it. She was bouncing around and like throwing the snow around, so I'm hoping to get some good pictures of her. and some video of her running around playing. Right now it's 11 at night, so they plowed, but everything's just like packed down.
The developments
are terrible.
Only partially plowed.
It's still snowing too. I don't think you can really tell, but
put the high views on to get